So guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy CJ aka the DJ Bobajoe. Right now people at the channel make a god psycho and the good. I'm a psychopath. So right now people, we are gonna text one of my G girlfriend, you see me? You text her and ask her out and stuff. Me know say it is against the rule of friendship, but it's just playing and it's just a prank. Just to be precise, this is just playing, you see it? Text one of my G girlfriend right now, people. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. You understand? Leave you can find a number. What this one? What all this? Alright. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, hit that like button. You see? Alright, so we just I go for the what? The intro. I'll be right back.
Me the money bees. You can call me the money bees. The money green like vegetable. Old money, new money, it no replicable. Making money, it inevitable. I bet you say them call me the heaven devil. From my money, me feel the vibes. From put me money, I pay the price. I money me pray for life. Money make modern slavery nice. So more money, more money.
So welcome back, people. Right now, people, we just warm up ourselves and see me for the game. Alright, when you see the scream and everything is okay. So I'm just gonna text her and say hello. You text her and say hi, is it? Yeah, so we sound. Me I text her and say yo. Okay, me say hi, it don't sound too precise. It don't sound like really a pranker. You see? Don't make she sound no some a pranker. So I say yo. Cause so we talking, you know, say I'm a real G this too. Abby, yeah, I'm a real G. Shout out to you right now. Although it can vex you and then one bag of hot water, but yeah, I'm a real G. I say I share play. There, I know. How about you? So I'm replying saying, there, you know, how about you? You know, Jamaican talking. She know this number, so she reply quick and fast, you understand? Come on, Abby. You taking long to reply. What the hell do you, man? So I say, you're good. You ask her if she good. Come on, you have to come for it, brother. Alright, she see the message here. Let me see what I'm going on. She got type. Something about music. Watch you as usual, though. Alright, so I say, you must have something I want to tell. Thing I want you to know. So I say, no, me have something I want you to know. You know, some friend here from Z. What? She have some what? So I say, just a little something. Alright, this working, people. Just a little something. So watch out. You see how I say me want a funny prank. It also sound too obvious. It also sound a way, is it? So I say one of my friend like her. So I'm gonna switch up right here. So you see me? People, may I say one of my friend like it. You see? Stress out the argument, prolong it, you see? Right, so she had type. She also me no want you know for me friend anyway. Just saying. But me so she had type. Talk no, she has to talk. I'm love again so nah your brother. Love again brother. So I say. Alright, so I say. The G you say if you still want it. You say I feel thing. You say you sorry about the past. Sorry about the past. You see? I'm just gonna stress out some of this. Just gonna shake up this. Oh, excuse me? She said, excuse me? Yeah, so he died. So. People, she have a cussing her because you tell her say yo, she miserable body, you know? She ain't a granny yet, but she miserable brother. Big woman, she miserable a lot, man. I don't know where she got this miserableness from, but she's miserable. You know, see, you know. Alright, so watch it. So when I say yo, I say yo, no, on wall and green leaf. And I say she's a good friend. And if I don't get you, you know, and if I don't get you guys together, we can pay $1 million. $1 million. Is it? I say she really is a good friend. I don't say she's a liar, woman, is it? Or a real liar. Good girl, is it? Yeah, if we don't get, we have to pay $1 million. Yo, you know say yo, please be sure. I say yo, please be sure. Yo, she a cuss right now. I get chip now, I'm not lying. She already get chip now, brother. Yeah. are cheap right now, I'm tell you. Tell you. I hold in there text now. She just say no. But why don't watch now she has send people? What the hell? What the hell? What the bag now? You see no emoji? Yo, me not deaf on where you deaf on. She has said she not deaf on where me deaf on. You tell her say yo, she's a liar girl, man. She's a liar girl. I rate this girl. I think me have to go bring them nigga yeah. With she. Punish sure. You see it on me. And thing, you see. Like a couple's week or something. Can I tell say yo, girl liar to the man, girl are good. Me feel say them to be like couple's child. Yo, wanna joke into me? Talk to you, man. Yo, just talk to him one day and then I left him. After. Yo, what kind of relationship this? Alright, she said she'll block me, alright, people, but I said this is a prank. Yo, this is a prank. Come on, she's for you. Yo, man, I tell you, say, yo, this girl is a real mother. This girl is a real nigga, you know. This girl is a real girl, a real loyal girl to the GNZ. And I rate this girl for that. We don't know which emoji to send. But Abby, you did well. Alright, thank you for being here in this prank. I say, although you know, say, I'm a troublemaker and I love people in trouble, you understand? Okay, yeah, I say. She said funny. Yo. Me ask her if you can put up a video. You can. Because you know say, more while when we prank people, me ask them if we can put up a video because I know some know me and them in a thing. You see it? Yeah. So me have to ask them if we can put up the video. As long as we feature them in the video. So you saw when we go up on the street and go do money prank and then prank me ask the people after if I can put up them you see. Soon talk to you. Alright, so people, that is it. Let me end this up. That is it. And I thank you guys for watching right now, you know, people. Me come and tell them say, yo, without Bobajoe TV will be nothing. You see me? So thanks for your support, thanks to all those see me on the street and say, yo, Bobajoe, continue the movie. Me I tell them say, yo, the movie is forwarding soon back, man. Brand new episode 3 will be coming back soon. So don't worry yourself, don't stress it out. Just hold out vibes and enjoy yourself and enjoy the content them, Make sure you hit that notification bell to know when we go live, post anything, and when we upload anything, you see. I know what the vibes say. Big up on yourself. Troublemaker Squad, we out there without fear. We out.